Hi, I'm Liam McGregor. My life is like shit in heaven. Sometimes I get tired. And sometimes I get tired of all this shit. And sometimes I just don't care at all.
Shitty food. Shitty mess. Same fucking jacket.
I think everybody got some way out. Some watch telly. Some just fucking start birth. And some fuckers even go to church. And my way out is crack smoke, vivid acid smoke. Colors, horse, day one, no fun. Day two, what to do. Day three, LSD. That's my life. That's my friend's life. We buy drugs, do drugs, sell drugs, and fucking shit drugs. I have this friend of mine. This is his most
Hand me that joint, boy. Thanks, lad.
We call him Fop Lester. That's because he's fucked up all the time. We got to fix some drugs, boy.
Called him last time. You call him now.
Hey Scott, we gotta have some drugs.
No.
No? What do you mean, boy?
Just no. Just a simple no.
Just a simple no? Don't give me this shit, I need my fucking drugs.
Listen to me, boy. I don't doing this shit anymore.
He fucking hanged up on me. How are we going to fix some drugs now? No fucking drugs, no fucking fun, no fucking party. What are we going to do, boy?
Woody.
Woody? Who the fuck is Woody?
He's the lumberjack fellow. Hand me the joint, boy. Thanks, lad.
I had to get some stuff out of the kitchen.
You think you got some acid?
You got fucking everything.
Hey Woody, you got some speed? I need some fucking up shit. I'm tired of this down.
You better taste this, lad. It's fucking strong shit.
No man, I need some speed. Speed, come on, fuck. Here he comes.